Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be looking at and taking an unboxing of the portable SSD T7 by Samsung. Alright, this is a 1TB SSD, so let's get it open by first finding the scissor. Or maybe even just a knife would do. So let's go. And I hope I don't cut myself. Yep, there we go. And then now what I can do is just open it. Box is pretty beaten up for some reason. Alright, let's open this thing up. What do I get? So I get this box here, and nothing. Is this it? I don't think this is it. What? Please don't tell me this is it. Oh no, the SSD was actually in here this whole time. Wow, look how tiny this thing is. It looks pretty cool. Connects by USB-C, and yeah, looks tiny and all. Okay, now let's open this thing up. Let's see what we have here. We have USB-C to USB, USB-C to USB-A, and we have USB-C to USB-C, and the rest of the stuff is literally just a manual or something. And I'll probably be using the USB-C to C, as I have a bunch of C ports on my computer, so I'm probably going to use the C to C. Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.